Hi everyone, it's Mark here from Healthy Fresh Homegrown, and I received something in the mail today, and I wanted to open it up and show you guys what exactly it is. Something special, something I've been working on for several months really hard, and it's finally here. So I'm pretty happy about that, and let's have a look and see what's inside. This is exciting. It's the first time I see it in real life, so let's see. It's a book, and that's the book. Here we go. You know something? My name's on it. So, just like with the urban gardening book, this is a book that I wrote, and it's finally being published in June. And so I wanted to share with you that it's ready for pre-order. And it's a great book. It's got lots of useful tips on how to get started with growing herbs at home. But the other thing that's pretty amazing is that there's 40 different herbs that are profiled with all kinds of information on how to grow them and how to use them. And then for each one of those herbs, there's 2 recipes of how to use those herbs. And the great thing about that is that because there's 40 herbs, there's 80 recipes. So there's something, you know, for practically anyone who wants to use these herbs. And so anyways, it's a great book. I really enjoyed writing it. I learned a lot too about some herbs that I wasn't as familiar with. So anyways, it's here. And it's available for pre-order. So just go to Amazon and you'll be able to order it, and it'll be available soon. And then you'll be able to hold one in your hands just like I am. Alright? So, herb gardening for beginners. Simple guide to growing and using culinary and medicinal herbs at home. Alright. So take care.